Welcome. In this lesson, we will explore how to find common elements between two arrays using JavaScript. This operation is useful in many real-world applications, such as filtering user preference, identifying shared tags, or comparing datasets efficiently. Let's dive into the problem statement and understand how we can solve it. The goal of this program is to find elements that exist in both arrays. The function should work for different data types, such as numbers, strings, or even mixed values. The order of elements in the output should be consistent with their occurrence in the first array. This function, similarity, takes two arrays as input. It filters the first array and keeps only those elements that are present in the second array, using the includes method. The output array is an array containing only the common values from the both input arrays. This function follows a step-by-step filtering approach. It iterates through each element in the first array, checks whether they exist in the second array, and includes it in the final result if it does. This simple yet powerful approach helps in quickly identifying shared values between two datasets. This table demonstrates how our function works with different types of input. When the two arrays have overlapping values, the function successfully extracts them. However, if there are no common elements, it simply returns an empty array. Finding common elements between two arrays has many practical applications. For instance, social media platforms use similar logic to find shared interests between users. It is also widely used in data filtering, permissions management, and tag matching systems. In summary, this function provides a simple yet effective way to find common values between two arrays. However, we can further enhance it by optimizing performance, handling case sensitivity, or supporting complex data structures. These improvements can make the function even more versatile and powerful in real-world applications. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.